Hello everyone. Today again we are back. Okay, so today we have new logic. Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can do the VLOOKUP. Okay, in the Power Query. So in the Power Query we are going to do the VLOOKUP. So here you can see the data. We have the table. This is converted into table format. So this is called one table, sales table. Okay. Similarly, we have another table, customer table, and we have price table. So here you can see here the common things in this two table is the customer ID. You can see here customer ID 201 and 201 is here. Okay, and similarly here if you come in this and this table, you can see here the product ID is common. Okay, so 102 102, so 102 product ID, price is 180. Similarly if you come here customer ID 102002 means hypermarket. So here this some column we have common. Okay, in the all these three table. And what is our logic? We are going to do the VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP means the customer ID will do the VLOOKUP here and will get the customer name in the sales table here. Okay, in this table. Similarly we'll do the VLOOKUP in the product ID column in this table, and we'll bring the price into this table. Okay, so this is the logic today we are going to build. So let's get started. Okay, so click on the data, query and connection. Okay, so there is no data loaded in the Power Query, so we need to load this three table into the Power Query. Okay, so what do we need to do to load this data in the Power Query? You go to the data tab, click this one, from tables reference. So I'm clicking this one, and as you can see here, this is launch the Power Query editor. Okay, and the table is loaded into the Power Query. This is Power Query window. So what we need to do, we can just go here on the home tab, close and load to do not load this data, only click this one, only create the connection. Okay, click OK. Similarly you do for this table also, click this one, go to close and load to only create connection, click OK. Similarly the last table, click this last table here and click this from table reference, and same thing you have to do, close and load to and click in only create the connection. So as you can see here, we have three table loaded into the Power Query. Okay, so these are three table loaded. Now our logic is to do the VLOOKUP in the sales table. So you double click the sales table. Okay, and here in the customer table we have customer ID and customer name. So we'll bring the customer name after the quantity. Okay, so go to add column, custom column, and just name this column as customer name. Okay, so this is our customer name column. Now to do the VLOOKUP, first what you have to do is you need to bring this table, customer table, in this column. Okay, so you just write customer. So what will happen, all the data from this customer will be loaded in the sales table. If you click OK, you can see here, but we have the both table. We do not need the both table, we need only one table against the customer ID. Look up from here 2002. So just 2002 is hypermarket, we should get here hypermarket. This is the logic we are going to build. So now what you need to do, we need to write one code. Okay, the Power Query M code, which is list dot position of. So what you need to do here, you just type here curly bracket and one more curly bracket, and here inside this curly bracket you have to write the list dot position of. Okay, list dot position of, open the bracket. It is asking give me the list as a list, so the list is here in the customer table. Okay, So here you write here customer, and the customer table we need the product ID. If you put here this symbol, okay, it will give you the column what is inside that table, okay, in the customer table. So we need product ID. So this product ID we are going to look in the sales table, which is this one, which is here it is showing. So now apply the comma and see the next parameter is value as any. So this is the lookup we are going to look up again in the with the per customer ID. Okay, so this is the logic. So this is the table we are going to look up with the customer ID. Okay, now close the bracket and click OK. It is throwing us the error. Okay, we'll see the error product ID. So that means the customer ID. What have we have selected? Not the product ID. Sorry, we need to select the customer ID. Okay, so here you select the customer table, listed position of customer ID. Okay, and this customer ID. Close the bracket, close the curly bracket, and click OK. Now here you are getting the record. So now still we are getting two value, but it is the corresponding of the 202. Mean the customer ID 202. If you see here, it is also giving 202. Means it is applied the VLOOKUP, but it is not giving us the single column. If you come here 205, and if you come to here you are getting 205. So it is giving us, it is applied the VLOOKUP, but we are not getting the single column. So to get the to extract only the customer name, what you have to do is again click the gear icon and go here, then type here customer space name. Make sure you type correctly as per the column name, because this is case sensitive. You should write exactly what is showing in the column. Okay, so I'm extracting the customer name, okay, not the customer ID. If you click OK, you can see here the VLOOKUP is done. Okay, now this is one technique to do the VLOOKUP. Now I'll show you another technique also how you can do the VLOOKUP. Okay, so now we'll bring the price, this price based on the product ID. So see here product ID we have. Now we'll bring the price, okay, from this table. So to do the VLOOKUP, okay, now we are not going to apply this logic. Okay, we'll apply another logic. So what you have to do is you click on the sales table, go to home tab and click here merge query. Okay, merge query, you type this, you write here, you click on the merge query. Okay, so here our lookup is in the both table is product ID and the price also. You click here the second table and click on the price ID. So we are going to do the VLOOKUP based on the price ID, okay, from the both table. And do not do anything, just click on the OK button. Now you can see here we are getting the table. If you click on the table, you are getting the correct result. Similarly we have done here in the before. Now you are getting two table, but you need to do, you expand this. Okay, you expand this, click this one and take only the price and click OK. That's all. So you can see here the VLOOKUP has been completed. So I have shown you two type of VLOOKUP which you can apply in the Power Query M code. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. I will load many videos, Excel, Power Query, Power BI in the